In this video, I'm going to show you how to get lower ping with a VPN for gaming. If you're tired of lag spikes, unstable servers, or slow connections ruining your matches, this tutorial will help you fix it and make your gameplay feel smoother. Most online games don't let you manually pick the exact server region you want, and even when they do, your internet provider may still route your traffic in a slow way. This often leads to high ping, delayed shots, or rubber banding. But when you use a VPN, you can connect to a faster route by choosing a server closer to your game's actual region. This helps stabilize your connection, reduce lag, and give you more responsive gameplay. I've tested multiple VPNs for gaming, and while there are many good options, NordVPN is easily the best for lowering ping. It delivers faster speed, more stable routes, and the NordLynx protocol, which is optimized specifically for gaming performance. Here's how to get lower ping using NordVPN. First, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Once you've signed up, download the NordVPN app from the App Store, Google Play, or the official website if you are on PC. Then log into your account. On the main screen, you'll see a list of servers. To lower your ping, select a server that's closest to the region your game uses. For example, if your game runs on European servers, connect to France, Germany, or the Netherlands. If your game uses Middle East servers, try UAE or another nearby location. For Asian servers, try Singapore or Japan. Once you've selected your server, tap Connect. NordVPN will route your traffic through that region, giving you a much more stable and responsive connection. Now, there are two important settings you should enable for the best performance. First, open the protocol settings and switch to NordLynx. This is NordVPN's fastest protocol, built on WireGuard technology and optimized for gaming. It gives you the lowest ping, the fastest speeds, and a much smoother experience during intense moments in your games. Second, enable threat protection. This feature blocks harmful links, ads, and trackers without affecting your speed or ping. It keeps your device safer while making sure your connection stays fast and stable. After enabling those settings, launch your game. You should instantly notice more consistent ping, fewer spikes, and much better responsiveness during fights or competitive matches. And if your ping still fluctuates a bit, try testing a few nearby regions until you find the absolute best server for your area. NordVPN has thousands of high-speed servers, so you always have options. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy smoother gameplay with lower ping starting today.